For you, is it a taboo for a woman to propose a man? Talk through for comment section. Or let's say it doesn't matter, it's not a taboo, but do you like it? If you are a man, will you prefer a woman to propose you like this? Or your daughter, may your daughter go propose another man, person way she won't marry, or that want to marry her? This is a very simple question. And why me want know? Be say I no support am for one place where we go. And some people they look me somehow. There was mixed feeling. Some people say they support. I know it no matter. Now the 21st century, it doesn't matter. Na love na it matter. So I carry and come your comment. I carry and come for you now. May you help me comment yes or no. At least I want to know if we can raise awareness, because me, I'm an African. I'm an Igbo man. In our own culture, is not work, waka. I no go allow my sister or my daughter to propose to any man in that form. And from the picture where they see here, as you can see, it seems the man is embarrassed. And the woman is serious. As you can see, though I will make another separate video for this. The man is really, really surprised. Maybe he did not see it coming. So let's see comment section. This is very bad. This is very sad. So what if we fight? He will say, "Now you find me. You were not even my spec." And that is a question. That is just a point. What if we fight? And the man will come the tease and say, "Now you find me come. You were not my spec." So it's a man that's supposed to find you come. That is why sometimes he will find it possible to bear your error or your mistake. If some things are going on not as planned, he will say, you have to tolerate, because after all, now you automatic. You are the breadwinner. You are the planner. You are the founder of this union, not the man. Some men no get problem for that, but I tell you, when that man grows, he go know say it's a wrong foundation. So this one say, for which generation may that remain where he is waiting for? For which generation may that remain where he is waiting for that from me? I don't understand. Nonsense. This one said nonsense. Meaning I will be the head of the house. Now woman, they even say this one. Meaning I will be the head of the house. It will always backfire. Don't try this at home. It will always backfire. This one say, maybe this will stop men from complaining about women. Don't forget to take the bride price with you. So if you are proposing a man, don't forget to know that you are the one to go and pay the bride price as well. This one say, not in Africa. What if he said no? Will you dig ground and enter? Take him as a friend. Get more closer to him. Tell him your intentions. Know about his thoughts before you end up disgracing yourself. It's a good attribute. No man will really take it too easy. Meaning she be the head, then hope he is safe. No woman should be asked. No woman should be asking a man's hand in marriage. It makes us look easy. You see another point. Sorry, I won't. Might the wrong one let God choose. Okay. So there are a lot of comments. Count me out. I don't even see one comment here supporting this kind of motive. How will you be proposing a man, especially in African context? They happen. Even though you both self, I know they see am mainly. It's just maybe 2 or let me say maximum of 5%. These days, anything can happen. But still, our people, they just carry this culture of man being proposed to, or a woman just go kneel down, especially they can't do it for public. I hope this one are acting, but 90% of population decision or population no even they choose and no even they trip for this. But I was surprised that where I be they talk about this and people just they saw some they say no problem, no matter who propose, and it doesn't matter who initiated the friendship or the relationship, but it matters who proposed, because proposing is the conclusion of the foundation. You as the woman, you feel say okay, meet a man and you say, I like you. You can initiate a relationship, you can initiate friendship, but to propose is the main foundation. Marry me. Can you marry me? So you are the one concluding the relationship, the starting of the journey. And it's not like this in our culture. It's, one would say, culture and tradition thing and so on. We live in it and we are brought out of it. We were born. It is this way we do. There is a system and a way we live, we eat, we give birth. That is how we were born. And we grew to see all this kind of stuff. So for you to just wake up, story cut short, help me comment on the comment section and let's see your thoughts. Thank you and bye.